Hands come down, bend into your front knee, which is your left knee. Pivot your left foot so it's parallel to your right one. Skandasana, walk your hands over towards your right foot. So again, feel free to bend your right knee, stay up higher, especially if you've got any knee stuff, I'd love you up higher. Left hand to the hip, or coming down, left toes come up off the ground, pelvis behind right heel. You can sit on a block or put the block underneath the heel, just so you're rooted, okay? As long as it's a-okay on your right knee. If you're down low, right fingertips out and over to the right, meaning towards the short edge of your mat. Left hand to left hip. Shrug your left shoulder onto your back and roll your chest open. Stay as you are, or bend your left elbow, left hand to the back of the head. Left hand comes down to the ground, straighten both your legs, parallel your feet to the long edge of your mat. Okay, we're gonna play with a couple little fun little handstands here in a wide-legged variation. That's why we just did all this. If it ever feels like too much, then feel free to just hold the wide-legged standing forward fold, okay? So palms come down to the earth, shoulder width apart a little bit wider. I usually take them off the mat. All right, splay your fingers out nice and wide and then bring your shoulders over your wrists. From here, lift both your heels up off the ground and come onto your tippy toes. Stay here or now bend both your knees, tilt your booty up to the sky like we've been doing. And then we're gonna take about 5 hops. Take your bottom toes off the ground 5 times. If you're not sure, you can watch me and then try it. Once you've taken 5, walk your hands back to your mat. Walk your hands over towards your left foot. Pivot yourself towards the front of your mat. And then step back into plank pose, upward push-up position. All right, we're going to take 8 Chaturangas. Feel free to do these on or off the knees. Look forward. If you don't want to do the Chaturangas, hold plank pose as long as you can, okay? For 8 breaths or less if you need to. Look forward on the ground out in front of you. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lower down halfway for 1. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower down for 2. Inhale. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Last one. Lifting up. Exhale, child's pose or Vrksasana, sit back on the heels. So either sitting back on the heels, child's pose, or sit up. I'll leave that to you.